Alright guys, we're at Whalers. It's a little mall here in the Kanapali area, right off of Kanapali Beach. Right now it's free parking to park here at the mall, which is nice for the beach, but normally it's paid for, but I don't know why, but it's they have the meters turned off. So it's you can see how quiet it is here. It's like noon on what, Tuesday? Not a ton of people. All right, we're gonna go head towards the beach and check out Kanapali Beach. All right, there's the proper name, Whalers Village. That's the proper name for this little mall here. All right, so we made it here to Kanapali Beach. It was voted on TripAdvisor as the best beach in America. And I'll tell you what, we'll bring you our opinion. It is a pain to find a parking spot here for the beach access. If you're staying at one of the resorts, I am sure it's amazing. But if you're just coming to visit, it's hard to find beach access or beach parking access. Beautiful, wide, white sand beach. I think it goes, what, somebody online said it's 2 miles or something. Like, it is a big beach.
3 miles.
3 miles out there. That's called the Black Rock Beach. People on YouTube says there's a cliff diving rock out there. You can see it's just a nice little rolling wave that comes in here.
I like it.
It's a really nice beach.
So far I give 9.
I gotta stay with 8, because unless you're staying at one of the resorts, it's really hard to get here. Like, to find a parking, to haul your chairs and your tables in, or umbrellas, all that.
TripAdvisor believe it's one of the 10 best beaches in the world.
#1 beach in America and top 10 in the world. I see why. It's absolutely a beautiful beach. So Kanapali Beach runs from that little, what they call Black Rock Beach, and it's actually on the other side is still more Kanapali Beach. But there's actually like smaller named beaches for specific things, like Black Rock Beach, and we looked at Google Maps and a couple other little spots that have little other names, but it's all Kanapali Beach here. Sort of in Lahaina and just south of Lahaina. So I think a lot of you are wondering, what about the Lahaina fires? Well, it's still, recovery efforts and, help efforts are still underway. Still a lot of people that lost their house are out camping here on the beach. It's sort of tough, right? On one hand, they need tourism to come to bring money, but on the other hand, they need the housing. So I don't know the right answer.
6,700 victims.
Yeah, that's still are without any sort of like permanent housing solution. So sort of tough, I'm not here to pretend like I have all the answers, but just know it's still ongoing. They still need your support. We're gonna go to a different part of the beach where maybe not so many people are using it for housing, and they should be, because, well, hopefully they would have a better housing solution, but they don't yet.
Look at Ben by itself in the water. You can see the mountain where we're gonna go tomorrow morning to see the sunset. The volcano, on top of volcano. I don't know if you can hear me, we're right behind the Hyatt. I stayed here before. My room was up there. I like it then, and I like it now.
We're just sitting on the beach hanging out, and we swore we saw a sea turtle swimming by. Let's see if we can find it again. That's one of the greatest part about Hawaii. We love watching the sea turtles, but they're protected, so don't approach them, don't harass them, don't chase them. If you're out snorkeling and you see one, if they come up to you, that's fine, but do not touch them. Human bacteria is very, like the bacteria on your hands is very dangerous to them and can cause them to get very, oh, there he is. There he is. You see him? Well, he's over here now. Giant, there he is. He's hanging out right there. You see him, guys? see if I can get a shot of him here. We'll stay in a decent amount. Oh, yeah, there he is. Big guy. I hope he's showing up on camera. He's probably about 20 feet away from me right now. Aloha, we are back. We're going to do a really fun dinner cruise, hopefully. We're taking the Pride of Maui. It's a sunset dinner cruise. They also have some live entertainment on board, and we're going to take you along with us. Yeah? Yeah,
let's go enjoy the sunset from the Maui, Pride of Maui.
So the Pride of Maui boat, never get it right, sails out of Maui Harbor. I'm not saying that right. It's about a half hour to the south of Lahaina, and so it's not too far away, pretty close to Lahaina, also pretty close to the airport area. This is our boat. Looks pretty nice. Looks like a lot of people are getting on it though. Yeah. I hope it's not too busy. I hope it's not too busy. Alright, we're boarding now. Gave us a quick little explanation of what to expect, the timing. You know, we gotta sail out of the harbor first when the bar opens, and they have two little shows where the hula dancers dance. So here we go. Aloha. So this is inside. It smells good in here. The food smells good. Big old bar. Nice little buffet for dinner. So upstairs, they got some bench seating. This is nice. You can place to put your drink and eat from. Got a guy playing a little guitar and singing. Very nice. He's been following us. Hopefully the wind dies down as we come around the bend. So we're sailing back towards Lahaina here from the port, and it's just beautiful. It really is pretty. The only complaint I could have is the wind is crazy, but I guess it's better than being too hot. So the captain pulled into a little cove, and now we're watching a little hula performance. It's actually really nice. I like to throw the small, intimate performance. Yeah?
And these beautiful girls who actually serve us drinks. So we got our food. I have my virgin pina colada, ribs, chicken. I don't know what is this.
For dinner, there was sweet potatoes and steamed vegetables, teriyaki chicken, and baby back ribs, and the ribs are really good. So I recommend it, guys. And she says there's dessert later, and of course the bar is open. They have two types of local beers on tap, all sorts of Mai Tais and pina coladas, and everything else that's really good. And for dessert, it is cheesecake.
Yes, did you go cheesecake in strawberry and
Very nice little
pineapple.
cheesecake and a little bit of fruit on the side. It looks wonderful. Did you get some cheesecake, baby?
I got you a dessert.
Yeah, it looks good.